Hey guys, it's me, Kyan, and we're gonna be searching for a wild dog.
Yee!
Oh.
Alright, what are we doing here? This place is giving me the creep, seriously, like.
There's a dog.
How can you tell a dog was here? Huh?
The rubbish.
This could just easily be a dog.
Okay. Now let's start.
There's a dog.
1,
Hey, bro, it's running. It's run! Run, man, run! 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 Just keep on running! Just keep on running! Ah! Ah! Just run! Run, man, run! Ah! Ah! Pause. Ah!
The dog has a little bit of chance to get in here.
It's been 5 minutes. It's been an hour. And there's still a dog out there. I'm gonna check.
I think it's clear.
Let's get up. Can't believe that.
Yeah.
Just out of nowhere. Just out of nowhere, a dog just came. Hey man, that looks pretty weird over there. Why would you want to come over here?
Stay right here.
I'm coming in there because, you know, we need the footage. Proof that. It smells like poop in here. Oh, he slid.
Yeah, that's definitely a doghouse.
Check your shoes. There might be something on there.
No.
Is there anything on there? Check it again. Just check it one more time, seriously. Oh, there's poop on there.
No?
Yeah, there's poop, look.
Oh, that actually is poop.
It might be my dogs. I mean, it might be the dogs. Oh, I found a gecko.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, there's a gecko right here.
I'm getting out of here. It smells like poop.
Can't believe we found a wild dog.
Okay, pause.
I thought this was going to be wild. 5 days. Send help, please. It's been 5 days already. Nothing happened.
I got a wild puppy.
There's nothing there. Please, send help. The dog is evil. I don't think if me and Cayenne can survive. I'm not sure if me and Cayenne can survive anymore. Please send help.
Cameraman. We're stuck in a tree.
No, we've been up in this tree for 4 days already. It's been almost 2 weeks. Tomorrow will be Friday.
We've been eating.
I'm not sure if we can take this anymore.
We're gonna try and break out. We've been eating.
Oh.
I'm the one that eats.
No, are you okay? He's dead. The cameraman is the only man alive. Send help. Please. I don't know if I can take it anymore. I'm gonna post this and hopefully y'all know who to call. Bye. Ha! Just kidding. This is just for fun. Yeah, it was a little. Yeah, he's a little. Okay, that's the puppy. That's Princess Sophia as something nobody knows. Cayenne as this weirdo. Dancing around. Now he was the guy that, you know,
Chicken finger.
He was just the person that walked around. He was the adventurist. He died first, of course, because I'm best. And I'm the cameraman. My name's David, and we'll see you next time.
And I'm a stealer.